Come with me as I build more onto my greenhouse, because I'm telling you what, the critters got me busy as a bee. Hi, I am taking just a mini break. The panel that you see me hammering on my greenhouse, that will go all the way around my greenhouse. Eventually, I'm going to figure out a gate to put on my greenhouse. Once my greenhouse is done with the panel on the three sides, you will see that at the end. I'm going to complete my greenhouse off camera, but you will see the finishing touch afterwards. See you in a bit. Okay, I now have the sides on the greenhouse. This is the longer side, and this is the shorter side. I wanted to be able to zip part of this back so I can keep the mean old critters out from eating up all of my garden vegetables. And now I am going to water my garden so much better. Now just to go ahead and put the tent back over the greenhouse, and I am good to go. I thank you, and you all, I am so tired. It is now hot out here, and I think I'm going to go and take me a wonderful nap. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.